English conversation about travel. I went to Hawaii on vacation.
Did you like it?
I loved it. I want to live there.
What did you like?
The island is so green, and the water is so blue.
Did you go swimming?
I went to the beach every day.
How was the weather?
It was hot and sunny every day.
What did you do at night?
At night I went out to eat. The food was delicious.
People who live in Hawaii are lucky.
I like this hotel.
What do you like about it?
We get a free breakfast.
Coffee and a roll?
No, a real breakfast.
Bacon and eggs?
With toast, ham, sausage, fresh fruit, and juice.
Wow, that is nice. Let's stay for 2 nights.
And the rooms are clean, too.
Do they allow pets?
No pets, no smoking.
I like that. Let's stay 3 nights.
I'm not sleeping here tonight.
What's the matter? This is a nice room.
Maybe the room is nice, but not the bed.
What's wrong with the bed?
Look at this sheet.
Yes?
See those stains?
I sure do.
I'm not sleeping on that sheet.
Well, just call the front desk. They'll give us new sheets.
I want sheets without stains on them.
From now on, let's bring our own sheets.
What time does your plane leave?
It leaves at 12:15.
When do you have to be at the airport?
I have to be there 2 hours early.
So we have to be at the airport at 10:15.
That means we have to leave the house at 9:15.
Well, it's an hour to get there, if there are no traffic problems.
So maybe we better leave at 8:15?
Yes, it's better to get there too early than too late.
I agree.
You never know what might happen on these freeways.
There's at least one huge accident every day.
I need to fly to New York.
When are you going?
During the Christmas holidays.
You'd better buy your ticket now.
You must be kidding.
No, I'm not. It's March, time is running out. Seats are selling out right now.
I thought I would wait until October.
I'll bet this is the first time you've ever flown during Christmas.
You're right.
Well, listen to me, you need to buy a ticket now.
But maybe prices will be cheaper in October.
Cheaper prices won't do you any good if there are no seats.
I hate flying.
So do I.
A long time ago, flying used to be okay.
Now it's like riding a bus.
You're jammed in with people all around you.
Half of them are coughing, and the other half are sneezing.
You don't have any elbow room or knee room.
People are always getting up to use the bathroom.
Kids are crying or climbing over you.
It's a flying zoo.
I wish I could afford first-class seats.
Doesn't everybody?
Some guy rowed across the Atlantic Ocean.
Good for him.
Why would he do that?
Did he set a new record?
Yes, I think he did.
Well, I guess that's why he did it.
What's the point?
Now he has the world record.
But someone's going to break it, so what good is it?
Well, he can enjoy it while it lasts.
I don't think he even got paid for it.
Some people do it just to do it.
I want to go on a cruise ship.
That sounds like fun. Where do you want to go?
I want to cruise to Hawaii.
That should be a nice trip, lots of fun, and lots of food.
I have no idea how much it will cost.
I think it depends on the season and on your cabin.
Well, of course, I want to go when the weather is nice.
Yes, you don't want to travel in winter storms.
And I want to get a big cabin with a view.
Are you going to travel alone?
No, my sister and I will travel together.
Well, you should go online and try to find a good deal.
I hate to fly.
Because of all the security?
No, because it hurts my ears.
What do you mean?
Every time we land or take off, my ears hurt so much.
That's just the altitude change, I think.
Whatever it is, it hurts.
Can't you take medicine or something for it?
I've tried everything, but nothing works.
Have you tried earplugs?
They don't work, either.
Well, be glad you're not a pilot.
Spring break starts tomorrow.
Are you going to go anywhere?
I was thinking of driving to Arizona.
To the Grand Canyon?
Yes, I've never been there.
I was there when I was a kid.
How did you like it?
I loved it. I still remember how amazing it was.
I'm sure I'll like it, too.
You should try riding a mule on a trail to the bottom.
No way, I don't want to fall to my death.
Don't worry, only one person has ever fallen off a mule.
That hotel was terrible.
The worst in the whole world.
The walls were so thin.
All day long we heard TVs or telephones.
All night long we heard people snoring.
Housekeeping didn't give us fresh towels.
Room service brought us a cold dinner.
Our non-smoking room stunk of cigarette smoke.
Our room was right next to the elevator and the ice machine.
They added phony charges to our bill.
How did we end up in that terrible hotel?
The travel agent gave us a 50% discount.
I have to hang up. I'm so sleepy.
It's not even 10 o'clock.
I'm falling asleep on the phone.
You got up really early.
I had to take my friend to the airport.
Why didn't you take a nap when you got home?
I didn't get home until 30 minutes ago.
Why is that?
There was a bomb threat at the airport.
Only a threat?
Yes, but I was stuck there all day while they looked for the bomb.
Someday the bomb is going to be for real.
My dad went to Washington, D.C.
Why did he do that?
He was invited, along with about 90 other veterans.
Who invited them?
Some private organizations.
Why did they invite him?
To thank him and all the other soldiers who served in World War II.
That's very nice.
My dad got to see the beautiful new World War II monument.
That trip must have cost a lot of money.
He said all the money came from private donations. That was a great trip to Washington, D.C.
Tell me about it.
About 90 of us World War II veterans got on the plane at 8 a.m.
How long was the flight?
It only took about 2 hours.
Did you take pictures at the World War II monument?
Oh, yes, we all took lots of pictures.
Then you flew back home that evening?
Yes, when we landed, TV reporters and the army band were there.
That must have made you feel really special.
Oh, it did. There were about 300 people there to honor us.
Well, you all deserve it. You helped save our country.